This video will cover how to customize and navigate the data within a bill of material. Click the Show Attributes button to show or hide the attributes associated with the entire BOM. These attributes can be added by clicking the gear icon. They are defined at the company level and can have different values. For example, a drop-down with different selections or an attachment, as shown here. The defaulted structure type is indented. This is the multi-level BOM showing all parent-child relationships. Other options include the direct structure type, which is the single-level BOM that drops off any grandchildren. Finally, the parts-only structure type, which is the non-hierarchical BOM that drops off assemblies and shows the items as a list of parts. To configure the metadata you would like to see in the columns, navigate to the Views drop-down. We will add a new view here and assign it a name. You have an option to select from existing BOM templates to act as a starting point, as well as specify how you would like the rows to be sorted. Some metadata is required to be shown. Otherwise, in this section, you can select which fields you would like to show, hide, and reorder. You can see in this example, the quantity field has been moved up in the order. Create a version to capture the state of the BOM at different points in time. This enables you to view and export previous versions as changes are made. Search within the entire BOM for keywords or phrases, and use the Enter key or these arrows to toggle between the results. Filter to display specific items based on metadata. For example, if we want to see only part numbers that start with 600, these features enable customization based on role and preferences, ensuring users see the most relevant information and can quickly find what they need.